all hands on deck for Jamaica, committed to social justice, security and prosperity for all, and a reason to celebrate Jamaica at 53. I'm Carrie Ann Smith with the Jamaica House Weekly. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has once again urged Jamaicans to band together to build a prosperous Jamaica. While she thanked citizens for the sacrifices already made, Mrs. Simpson Miller called for greater unity in the country's interest.
Much respect is due to every citizen who, in the interest of our country, has heeded the call for greater social discipline, industry, innovation, cultural creativity, and economic self-reliance. We are looking to the future. We are doing what is necessary to protect and preserve, uplift, and elevate those things we know to be the best of Jamaica. I celebrate the enterprising and entrepreneurial spirit of our citizens, from the small commercial operators to the large investors who have all maintained their confidence in our ability to skillfully manage the affairs of this nation despite the difficulties.
Prime Minister Simpson Miller was speaking at Thursday's Independence Parade at King's House. And Mrs. Simpson Miller also used her independence message to advocate for greater personal responsibility among Jamaicans.
I call on every Jamaican to be the very best that you can be. Fulfill your greatest potential. Never forget to lend a helping hand to your brothers and sisters. Let us build our communities and participate in the governance of our country. This is how we continue to build our nation. This is how we bring real meaning to independence. Our commitment is to social justice, security, and prosperity for all. We are in pursuit of economic equity and are unwavering in our commitment to the values and principles of democracy. We have to recommit ourselves in every way possible to engaging better social relations to produce peace, harmony, and tolerance in our families, our communities, and in our nation.
And as Jamaicans converged on the National Stadium to celebrate Jamaica's 53rd anniversary of independence, Prime Minister Simpson Miller spoke to the importance of staging grand galas.
I think that this is part of the pride and joy of all Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora. We have to give thanks for those who fought for emancipation, and later on, those who fought for our independence. I think it is very important as a nation. And some might say 53 is not so young. But I say as a young nation, we have achieved much.
And before the independence celebrations, Prime Minister Simpson Miller took some time to meet with the finalists of the 2015 National Nurse and Nursing Student of the Year competitions. At Tuesday's meeting, Mrs. Simpson Miller congratulated the nominees and encouraged them to continue to make Jamaica proud. And that's it for Jamaica House Weekly. Do join us next time for the latest stories coming out of the office of the Prime Minister.